Hey everyone, Beyond the Fly here. Today I'm going to bring a special episode to you guys, something I've been working on here for a while to achieve and build and kind of put together and do our first unboxing. So I'm really excited to show you this setup and just another tool that we're going to add to the arsenal while we're out spending time on the water, and I will finally get to sling some big honking beef of flies. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with what I picked up here the other day from Anglers All. My friends down there, Mr. Jimmy, helping me out, is gonna be just an absolute beautiful reel from Ross Reels out of Montrose, Colorado, proudly made in the USA. I just absolutely love that. So you pick one of these up yourself. We of course got the Evolution 7.8, so we can put it on our other very exciting to unveil this bad boy, Moonshine Midnight Special, one of a kind. It is also a 7-weight rod, so I'm excited to get these mated together, get it rigged up, and we're gonna sling some line behind me here and just get used to this setup, see how it does, test this reel out. So here's what you're gonna see when you get the box. Nice setup here. This will be what you see when you unbox it. So I really love the attention to detail. I'm all about that, especially if you're going to put a chunk of change towards a new setup. We want to do it right. Nice neoprene protective case. That they do give you a sticker in there, which I absolutely love. All know I love the stickers. And then they give you their product code registration, which you definitely are going to want to do that. That's what you're going to get in the box. Let's take a look at this bad boy. So I went with the black. I'm a fan of that, and you will see why. So here it is, folks. Check that guy out. I'll get some better shots here for you in a sec of their cork style handle. Gets wet, you got a little more traction on there if your hands get wet, which is always fantastic. So if you're fighting a nice fish, definitely don't want your hands slipping off. Their traditional bell curve that they have, so gets the line spooling back and forth. I really just am proud to own this thing and put it on the Moonshine 7-weight rod. Their attention to detail is just absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'll throw up some more good shots on there. So there it is. Now, get to business on the rod side. Again, like I said, Moonshine Midnight Special. Took me a while to snag one of these. I got to jump on social media. Just some good folks out there, and they'll post these up, and it's first come first serve for whatever he's got coming out of his small batch. And yeah, I'm already digging that. So here we go. Absolutely beautiful. The other one I've got that I filmed a lot of the videos with, actually all of them, is their 5-weight, and I have used and abused that thing. So just beautiful coloring. Love their attention, again, attention to detail. So this is going to be fantastic to add to what we're doing here. Get this thing pieced together, get the reel on, and then we are going to sling some line with this combo here on this fantastic morning. You never know, we might get lucky and even put a fish on. Wouldn't that be something? Everybody loves to get new things every once in a while, especially when you work so hard in life. This is like medicine for me, people. Contributing to my fly fishing therapy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going with the, got a fighting butt on there, because I am hoping to put some more carp on. And then of course I'm going to throw the Rio. I love this Trout Power Flex. So it's been a very nice addition, and it's super strong. Yet to have one break or anything like that. So we're going to throw that on there for our tapered leader. So double locking to get that held in there. So I really like that. That'll be fantastic. So that's got a backing on there, so you don't have to worry about that thing loosening up on you. Oh, that's gonna feel good. Really like that lightweight from Ross, because that'll be nice when you get the some of the upcoming things, some of these hikes and things like that we're going to be doing. That'll be fantastic. Doesn't weigh a ton, super strong. I think it'll handle everything we throw at it. I think their design team did a fantastic job with that. Jimmy hooked me up. We are going blacked out. Can't go wrong with that. Got to have a little style and flair when you're out on the water with your buddies, making memories. That is smooth. Oh, it's gonna be fun to hear that with a fish on. I love it, folks. We will take that all day long. Thing of beauty. Well, there you have it, folks. The first few casts on our new setup, and I am proud to own this Moonshine Special 7 weight, the Ross Reels LTX in a 7/8, blacked out. Really big thanks to Jimmy down at Anglersall, to the boys over at Moonshine Rod, and the fantastic team of people at Ross Reels over there in Montrose, Colorado, keeping it made in the USA. And I am proud to support each of these businesses and what they do for our community, our fellow anglers out there, and I'm excited. So we'll continue throwing line. We're gonna start throwing some streamers now, folks. We're gonna go after some bigger carp. Hopefully put a few more browns on this one. I can't wait. Excited to continue this journey with you. Excited to bring this episode. I really hope you enjoyed today's footage. Our very first unboxing here at the Beyond the Fly YouTube channel. And you all have a fantastic day, tight lines, and thank you for watching.